Hello friends, in this video we are going to clear the cart. Magento of the customer, we are going to clear the cart. So how we will do that? Let's start with it. Okay. So let's begin the tutorial how we can clear the cart. All we have products in the cart, we gonna delete or we're gonna clear that cart. Okay. So let's begin with it. So first of all, go to the clear cart, clear all cart. We have index. Let's paste. So it's basically the function is truncate, cart, and save. So let's begin the previous sections. We have app holders profile index, and let's move this one, custom helper. Then we have the custom helper. Remove this. Just get quote and get that items and just clear all cart. Okay. So let's run the commands. Now rest last command, give the permissions. Okay, let's check what this card has. Let's log in and let's check password is this. Okay, so I'm going to log in as a front end and check login. Sign in. Any product we have? We have two products, two items in the cart. Now I have already logged in. Let's hit the API and check it is working or not. So what our API is? Clear all cart. So going this and clear all cart. Okay, I'm just going to hit it. Cart is empty. Let's check. Cart is empty or not. It says two items in the cart. Clear all cart. This checkout cart and truncate cart. Okay, get items count. Let's check cart, get code, get items count, how much it will print. It says 0. So why it's showing here? This section has no cart. And this checkout, if this session, let's check. Let's proceed to checkout. See, you have no items in the shopping cart. Means just it's showing this, but it's not updating when we try to get. But see, we have no items in the cart. So this way you can clear the cart items in Magento via REST API. So this is how we have achieved this. So if you, this is only just check the get cart items and just truncate. Then that's it. The cart is empty and all. Hope you will like this video, and if you have any issue, just comment in the comment box and let us know. Okay, this is how we can clear all the cart. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.